Hello, I'm Andrea, the head gardener of Lowther Castle and Gardens, and today I would love to talk to you about the Bottlebrush Buckeye, or also known as Aesculus parviflora. Its natural habitat is the woodland edges of South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and Florida. It is a sucking multi-stemmed shrub that can reach up to 4 meters and a spread of 8 meters. So definitely this is a baby. It's a young one, beginning of its life. And it is really a wonderful plant if you want to have some kind of big messing, big clumping, and also if you want just use it as a wonderful handsome specimen on its own. And W.J. Bean, one of our famous British dendrologist, known for his book on tree and shrubs of Hardy to the British Isles, mentioned he could not recommend a more handsomer shrub for the lawn. And he even said, even if this thing never flowers, it is attractive enough just for its foliage alone. But on the note of flowering, so I had to wait quite a long time this summer for it to come into flower. So normally it starts end of June, July, and then into August. And it comes up with these wonderful panicles of white flowers that later on turn yellow once they have been pollinated. So it's a haven, also really good for pollinating insects, this plant. On the note of cultivation, as I mentioned, it's a woodland plant, so it prefers moist retentive, well-draining soils with a lot of organic matter ideally. And it also prefers more acid soils, but it will adopt over time to also neutral soils. Now, another point is it is really relatively disease-free. It isn't riddled with diseases like the horse chestnut. But on that note also it does not produce conchos like the horse chestnut. It was highly unlikely because it's way too cold or not warm enough. Our summers are not warm enough. But also to say it does have really awesome autumn color. So if you have the space, it definitely must have.